Hi, Dan with 3D Auto Repair. Today we're looking at a 2016 Chevy 2500 with the LML Duramax in it. As some of you know, that does have the CP4 fuel pump in it. The customer brought it in. They were having some issues. We didn't think it was running quite right. We did some diagnostics on it. Noticed that the fuel rail pressure was kind of lagging behind what was desired versus what was actual on the scan tool. We talked to the customer, kind of went through some scenarios on what could be going on. As we know, CP4s do have an issue of being prone to failure. I advised them we thought we should get a new CP4 pump and put an Exergy fuel system saver, fuel pressure regulator on it at the same time to make sure that in the event that the new pump down the road had an issue, that they wouldn't have any material going through the fuel system causing a much larger repair. It's a little bit of an extensive repair on this vehicle. You got to remove all the EGR coolers, intake manifolds and that type of thing. Nothing that we can't accomplish here at 3D Auto Repair, but it is a little bit larger job maybe some shops don't want to take on. So if you got a diesel pickup and it's running rough or maybe not quite doing what you remember it doing as far as power or fuel efficiency, those are all things that we are more than capable of diagnosing and offering repair solutions based on your needs. My name is Dan. Thanks for watching. I look forward to seeing you at the shop. And please share this video so other people out there like you can get this information.